And number 2, Tahira Testaron. And number 1, Maria Alena Padilla.
Third, right?
Yes. Yes.
First, second, third.
Yes.
We have medal.
May request Sister Yaki to give them the medals.
Medal, sir.
Good, good.
Yeah, make it for them.
Mashallah.
Silver.
Semangat ya. Apa bahasa Kantonisnya semangat?
Ayaw.
Ayaw.
Jazakallah khair.
Foto-foto.
I request Ustad May, Brother Yusuf.
Too much exposure daw. Baka ma-discover.
Sister Amira. Hey, you are there. Come on. You're anak.
And also Brother Safi to take pictures with the graduate. I mean the winners.
Sheena, ikaw na mag-pictures tayo lahat.
Brother
Mashallah. Sudah. Okay, next.
next to our
Or next, or primary. Number 3, Mariam Bagobe. Number 2, I'm sorry. For number 3, Mariam Aguda. Number 3. Number 2, Mariam Bagobe. And number 1, Aisyah Bisula. Sorry, sorry. Kalau di Indonesia Bisula. Tulis saja Bisula.
Aisyah Bisugo. Bukan bisulat ya.
Just a moment, please. Hanggat we say, Sisi, mali ang bigay namin ito sabi para sa iyo. Ay,
Ginawin. Papalitan niya.
Ginawin. Sabi na.
There. Ayun. Ayun.
So, I will give you another one.
Don't worry, they will give you. Just give the wrong one.
Oh.
Before you cry, now you laughing.
For the don't sell your medal.
Job, right? Get this first. Wait, this is first. And then this is second.
Kaya.
Take picture na. Ustad also na. How are you? Ustad na siya. The first.
May I request Sister Yati, Brother Yusuf, and
Yusuf. Go.
Brother Safi.
Safi.
Brother Sabi indah ya.
Safi.
Nah, ready moving. Oh, mama.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. For the last, I read number 3, Azahra Pagaling. For number 3. For number 2, Khadijah Alba. For number 1, Zaina Kairano.
Yes.
Selling the gold.
Still new. Not second hand. Still new.
The gold selling lah, the gold.
Masya Allah, Masya Allah.
Special guest here. I request to go there.
Nanay, the mother.
Ayu.
Hadap.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sino first medal? First medal.
Elina.
Alina.
Sino second? Ano yung ano mo?
Sisi.
Where's the souvenir? Where is the souvenir?
Sumaya.
Congratulations or mabruk to all the Quran reading readers.
Tahira.
Your dedication, practice, and love for the Quran truly shine through in this achievement.
Ito.
May Allah reward you abundantly for your efforts, increase you in knowledge and recitation, and make the Quran a light for your heart and a guide for your life. Well done, and keep going with sincerity and excellence. So at this time,
Wait. That's award first. Wait, don't.
At this time, we will be awarding or giving a souvenir to our guest speaker, Ustad May Hidu.
kalakayan po sa Ustad.
Thank you for coming in Hong Kong, Sasha.
Thank you again for joining us today, Ustad. Your presence and support means a lot to everyone, and we would love to capture this special moment.
Yung accounts for the... Nasaan yung rapat?
Oh, thank you. Photo juga.
At this time, we will be having a draw
You
lots.
have this one?
Yeah.
You don't have? Ako.
Balot din. Balot din.
Sino?
Bro, dito isa bro. Okay.
Sino muna dyan? Sino muna?
Extra Roy.
Binigay na, di ba? Yan yung number natin.
Ah, ito yung sa ano?
Oo, para ipakita.
Sa pagkain to?
Oo. Okay.
You're welcome.